first and second lecture.
Yeah, good morning to all.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning,
Yeah,
sir.
you want a break for 5 minutes?
No.
Yes, sir. 10 minutes, sir.
No. See, the problem is what now? As per schedule, my lecture is at 10 o'clock. So you take 5 minutes break and come back again. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Don't keep your
Okay.
video on because it will consume your lot of data. Okay?
And that's why.
So just turn off your video and go and take a little bit of breakfast, but take only 5 minutes. Don't take more.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So can we leave?
So right now it is in my laptop. It is 9:57. Now
Yes.
9:58. So take 5 minutes. We'll back to 10:05 approximate.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So 10:05 will start. 10:05 will start. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Be fast. Be fast. हाँ भाई बोलो ना So let's begin. So I will not going to start the main course today. I'm just going to introduce few things which is maybe new for you. Better to I will share my screen first, and you can able to see that form. So can you able to see this form? Please go to chat and write down. If you are not able to see this form, go to chat box and type. If you able to see, please type Y. Y means yes. Y means yes. So you can use the short form. So see, this is the first form you have to fill, right? So this form is basically regarding the your data collection. So make sure that this form, whenever you're filling, be careful filling all information. So for example, first one is your email. So email ID, everybody have email ID. I don't know. I don't think without email ID you can able to enter anywhere. Even if you purchase mobile, you have to register your email ID. Then you have to write your full name of the students. So full name you have to supposed to write first your name, then write your parents name, and then write your surname. So first name, middle name, and last name. Then you have to select your academic year, which is generally you can just click and see. Now you're in academic year 2021. So select 2021. Then there is a class. So class is TYBSc, subject statistics, and so I'll just fill this form so you can get some idea. So suppose my name is this, and I have filled this myself. I've just given my name, academic year, this one, class TYBSc. Always use capital letter for TYBSc. T dot Y dot B dot SC. Write statistics. Write your contact number. Write your parents' contact number. So I'm just giving some number randomly. Giving same number. So you have already my number. Now the very important question start from here, because this is all basic information. This is all basic information. Always remember, this questions reflects some information about you. So make sure that whenever you're filling this information, be careful. So which platform are you using very frequently for online lectures? So online lectures के लिए आप कौन सा platform use कर रहे हैं? Are you using mobile? Are you using laptop? Are you using desktop? Are you using tab? And if you're using any other, put any other. So for example, I'm using my laptop. So I'm just put laptop. Is that clear to all, this first question? And if it is clear, please type S in the box. Just write capital Y in chat box. Yeah, so many one getting Y, so that means you understood why. So let's go to next question. Which is facility available for online lectures? Do you have a data pack or Wi-Fi or any other? Now, Abhi, what happened? Suppose students don't have a they are using Wi-Fi but mobile ka Wi-Fi. So actually, you can call data pack. There is no problem. So you can call data pack or you can call Wi-Fi. So I'm using Wi-Fi. This question is simple, so there is no problem. Now, very important next question. In which platform are you familiar for learning management system? So what is learning management system? See, as a Zoom is a video conferencing. It is not a learning management system. In learning management system, what happened? You have we have a form of one module where students can visit that site and they can able to join the course. It's like all I can say that maybe you have studied you're familiar with the Coursera. So Coursera is a it's all LMS system. So LMS system basically there you can join the courses and you can study self. So it's like all. So it's like a Google Classroom, Canvas, Edmodo, Microsoft Team, Edfly, and any other. So whichever platform you are familiar, just click on that. Or so I'm just familiar with the Canvas, even Google Classroom. I can familiar with all. There is no problem. But whichever you are familiar, you can put that. So this is called LMS system. This basically whatever things we are going to study in mind paper. Basically for mind paper, we are working on LMS system always. Remember. So I'm not going to share anything like a notes on WhatsApp and everything, because once you delete everything or once you format anything, all data goes. So better to have LMS system. So I have a LMS system. You have to enroll for LMS system and you can see whatever the data, whatever the courses I am created over there, and you can just join and you can start studying that. So we will see that LMS system very broadly later on session. First you have to fill this form. Then you have to upload your question, upload your photos. So you can just click on add file. Now before that uploading this photo, आपका photo आपके मोबाइल में होना चाहिए. Okay, so make sure that you are uploading photo. First you take your pic. तो मोबाइल पे जाके आपको सेल्फी लेना आता है. Very simple. Take your selfie and it will save on your drive or wherever you want to save, so that you can fetch immediately. And then just click on add file. And once you click on add file, there is an option upload drive, my drive. So upload करना है. अगर आप if you are using PC, if you are using any desktop or laptop, then click on upload and select your device. Means once you select your device, it will directly move to your file. So wherever you save your file, you can just click and drag it. But suppose if you don't have a PC, you're not working on PC, then click on my drive. अभी my drive में क्या होता है, जब कभी भी आप Google बनाते हैं Google Drive में, तो Google Drive करके options आता है, उसमें जाके आप आपका photo save कर दो. So once you save that file on Google Drive, it will directly shown in your recent file. So you can just click it and select it. So you can save anywhere. You have to just upload the file. See, without uploading, it can't be, you cannot submit your form. So if you have any difficulty related to uploading the file, please contact me. There is no problem. Write your full name, full address. So you have to write a full address without like doing any mistakes. I think I have shown everything. Now just write your full address. So I'm just giving some random address here. Some address, but you write full address. And if you have any suggestion, you can give some suggestion and then click on submit button. So I'm not clicking any submit button for a being. So before that, if you have any difficulty, please type in chat and if you tell me if you have any difficulty. Please type in chat if you have any difficulty related to any questions, so that we can go directly, otherwise we can proceed for submit. Yes, Sahil Dubey, you can put your query in the chat box. I'm looking all chat box, there is no problem. What type of suggestions? Suggestions means suggestions you can say if we have any like maybe technical problem or personal problem or maybe some issue with this form or some questions you want to add or some questions maybe basically add, because I have collected all the information which is basically required for my purpose, because I'm going to use that all LMS system for a Bing. So for that purpose I require your email IDs and everything, but this data is very safe. Anyways, the college has already taken your data, there is no problem, so you don't worry about your data, because all data already goes, so don't worry about that. So this is regarding your type of suggestions. You can put suggestion or you can keep blank, there is no problem, because that is not mandatory questions. Okay, so that is not mandatory questions, so that we can see. Sachin Vishkarma, Microsoft Team you have mentioned. There is that doubt or I don't know. Hi sir, LMS फिर से समझाओ. LMS questions, LMS मतलब आपको see LMS is a system. उस सिस्टम में जैसे कि अगर आपने कोर्सेरा ज्वाइन किया रहेगा तो कोर्सेरा में क्या होता है कि आपको आपको एक कोर्सेरा में बहुत सारे कोर्सेज मिलेंगे एंड इन दैट कोर्सेज यू हैव टू जॉइन दैट कोर्स. सो joining the course they require basic informations, so like you have to just registration, if you fill the form and everything. So similarly LMS system क्या होता है कि LMS system we can create using Google Form, we can create using Canvas, we can create Edmota, Microsoft Team and everything. But basically I have used everything, but I found the Canvas is a excellent among this, so that's why I'm using the Canvas, and I will tell you this because we are going to study a little bit this Canvas, so that we will see the session based on Canvas also, if possible tomorrow morning. So there is no problem with that. Any other questions? If we have, we can put it. Otherwise, I can click on submit button and I can show it to the next part. Any other doubt you have? If you have any other doubt, you can just put on chat box or we can proceed. So can we proceed? Just type Y. Okay. So just click on submit button. Once you click on submit button, so this is the data collection about TYBC students. Thanks for submitting this form. Now you have a link here. Can you see this link? Follow this link to join the WhatsApp group. So you have to just click on this group, and once you click on this group, you are going to redirect with the WhatsApp group. So automatically you can join this group. So you can have you will get this next screen, and there is the option called join chat. So once you click on join chat, you'll be joined with our group, which is very important for you also. Why it is important? Because others teachers is going to post all material maybe in this WhatsApp group. But what I'm suggesting you, once they posted that, once they posted any materials and e-content, make sure that you save those content in your drive, because it may happen sometime your system will won't be work, or sometime maybe due to virus some problem will happen. So at least if you save that files and everything on your drive, it will always save. So this is the basically demo for how to create your form and how to join the group. So it will, I think it will not take more than 5 minutes. If you can work out, I can able to see how many data we have generated. So, and make sure that you can fill only one time. Okay, you can fill only one time. So be careful while filling this form. So I just want to see how many can able to fill. So start. I'm just pasting this link on our group so that you can able to see this file and you can start filling this form. So at least this activity will be over. So I'm just pasting that form. So I have shared that file. So you start filling this form. If you have any difficulty, we will see that. So this form, you have to just click on that form. Once you click on that form, you will be redirected your browser. Means you will go to the directly your Google and you start filling those forms. Because that is important for the teachers. That's why I'm doing this first. So I'm waiting for the response. How many have filled that form? Rajesh Shehani, we have one question. We aren't aware about this all LMS type of system and thing. Don't worry, if you're not aware about, just type, go to other and just type not aware. Don't know, just type don't know. There's no problem. That's why I have kept the options for other. So far I didn't get any response. I'm waiting for the response. I hope everybody started filling this form. So how many are done? So if you are finished after filling this form, just type done. Just type done. Oh, great. I think Roshan R. Sharma has joined this group also. Let me see the group. Yeah, 2 are joined. Good. Means I may get, oh, great. 5 form I have completed. Amit Dinesh Yadav, Roshan Sharma, Ashish Kumar Rana, Roshan Tiwari, Komal Pal. Okay, great. Good. One more response. Yash Upadhyay. Good. So they are now Pooja Patak. Good. Rajesh Shahani. Good. Very nice. So 9 are joined. Let me see in WhatsApp group. WhatsApp group I have only 5, 6, 7. Okay, great. Great. Other students, please go on, join fast. It will not take more than 5 minutes because I have explained everything step by step.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah,
it's
yeah.
Amit. Sir, it's Amit Dinesh Yadav.
Amit, let me see.
Dinesh Yadav.
Amit, yeah, Dinesh Yadav. I am just taking your
Sir,
name and final name, not.
sir, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप लिंक आया था लेकिन ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ, वापस डिसअपियर हो गया फटाक से.
डिसअपियर ऐसा नहीं होता है बेसिकली. ठीक है,
ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ मुझसे.
अभी ग्रुप ऑफ ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ है तो क्या कर सकते हैं बोलो.
सर एनी सजेशन?
ओके, आई विल शेयर यू लिंक, यू कैन.
सर,
या बोलो.
सर मेरा लैपटॉप पे फोटो नहीं है तो वो लोग फोटो मांग रहे, तो क्या करूँ?
फोटो
फोन पे नहीं लिंक लैपटॉप पे चालू किया है तो लैपटॉप पे फोटो नहीं है, क्या करूँ?
तो आपका स्क्रीन चालू करो और आपके लैपटॉप में कैमरा का ऑप्शंस होता है, राइट?
ओके.
कैमरा में क्लिक करो, फोटो क्लिक करो और ये कर लो आप.
ओके.
डन सर.
डन. व्हाट डन?
यस सर, जॉइनिंग ग्रुप सर.
Okay,
अभी
okay.
लिंक आया.
So let me see. हाँ, oh great. So many are joined. Good. So I so far I get 14 responses. 14 responses. Very nice. 15. I'm waiting for others. We have total 43 students, I think, joined. I can able to see. Others, be fast. If others having any difficulty, you can talk me chat, or I have opened the mic system. You can talk directly. There's no problem. But better to use English language because that is beneficial for you. Actually, I had a other WhatsApp app. I have joined. Sir, actually, I had other WhatsApp app. I got joined by that app. Just now, I install and don't worry. If you joined, then it will remain. It will remain in your WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Rajesh Shahani, you have issue with the installing your WhatsApp. Don't worry about that. Once you have joined the group, until unless you left or the admin will destroy that you can say group, आप निकल नहीं सकते हैं. You will still in the group itself. Let me see once again how many are joined. 19 response, 20 response. Let me take few names again. So I have stopped at Yash Upadhyay done, Pooja Patak last, Rajesh Shahani, Asutosh Verma, Amit Sharma. अमित जी, आपके पेरेंट्स का नाम आपने डाला नहीं यहाँ पे. फरहाद खान. इलाश कुरैशी. What is your इलियास?
सर इलियास.
अच्छा, इलियास कुरैशी. शाइली कोकिटकार. Is that correct? Shall is there?
Sir.
Yeah. What is that? Koki.
Kokitkar.
Kokitkar. Okay.
Kokitkar.
Okay. Shubham Suryatram. What is that?
Sir, Suratran.
Suratran. Okay. Siddhinar. Siddhinar or Nar? Who is Siddhinar?
सिद्धि नर.
Nar, na?
हाँ.
Okay. Mr. Mehul. Vadia. Vedya. Sorry, Vedya. Shubham Kori. Ajit Yadav. Farhan Sheikh. Shubham Upadhyay. Yeah?
हेलो सर.
Yeah.
सर मेरे ड्राइव में पिक अपलोडेड नहीं है तो फिर उसको कैसे अपलोड करूँ मैं?
आपके इसमें है अपलोड ऑप्शंस में. आपको ड्राइव में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपके पिक अगर आपके फोल्डर में ही रहेगा तो आप फोल्डर से भी ले सकते हैं.
बट ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा है वैसे.
अपलोड का ऑप्शंस नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं, फोल्डर आ ही नहीं रहा है, सीधे ड्राइव ओपन हो रहा है.
हाँ तो ड्राइव में आपका पिक नहीं है.
नहीं.
तो पिक बना लो फिर.
लैपटॉप
बनाना
पे
है?
कैमरा का ऑप्शन है.
हाँ.
लैपटॉप नहीं, मैं मोबाइल में कर रही हूँ ना.
हाँ तो सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ अभी. आपको क्या करना है, पहले
हाँ.
आपको बाहर आना है, आपका सेल्फी लेना है.
हाँ वो ठीक है. उसके बाद
वो तो कर ही सकते हैं. यस, एक्सपर्ट है हम
हाँ.
लोग. उसके बाद उस जो कैमरा जो आपका फोटो रहेगा और
हाँ.
गैलरी में जाके उस पर राइट क्लिक करना है और उसमें ऑप्शन आता है सेव इन ड्राइव करके ऑप्शन आता है.
सर मैं मोबाइल में कर रही हूँ तो मोबाइल में सेव एज ड्राइव नहीं आ रहा है.
नहीं. आप मोबाइल में जब कैमरा फोटो खींचेंगे बराबर है.
हाँ.
गैलरी में जाएंगे बराबर है.
हाँ.
गैलरी से फोटो आपको मिलेगा.
हाँ.
तो उसमें ऑप्शन आता है एडिट डिलीट. दिख रहा है आपको?
हाँ.
तो उसमें ऑप्शन आता है वहां पे कि सेव. अगर आपको और जगह करना है या फॉरवर्ड करना है तो उसमें ऑप्शन आता है ना आपका. Are you getting me?
नो सर.
Not getting.
सर
Okay.
वो शेयर में
का
आएगा
option
ऑप्शन. शेयर में आएगा वो.
हाँ वही शेयर मतलब okay. I'll tell you in the suppose let me show on cell phone. Wait. So far I get 27 responses. I'm waiting still. There are left I think 13-14
Sir.
responses.
सर
Yeah.
फॉर्म भर दिया है लैपटॉप से, पर व्हाट्सएप लैपटॉप पे नहीं है, तो फोन पे कैसे चालू होगा? उधर ऑप्शन दिखा रहा है डाउनलोड करके. लैपटॉप
अच्छा.
पे डाउनलोड नहीं करना. तो
लैपटॉप पे डाउनलोड नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, डाउनलोड करेंगे तो आपका मेमोरी ज्यादा जाएगा ना.
हाँ.
हाँ. तो आपने सबमिट कर दिया क्या? उसको सबमिट किया तो ही तो फॉर्म दिख रहा है ना.
हाँ सर सबमिट किया है.
ओके. तो जिसका ये टेक्निकल इशू है दे वेट फॉर अ बीइंग.
Okay.
Maybe I'm going to paste that WhatsApp form, but you have to fill this form. That is very important. Okay. So इसका WhatsApp का लैपटॉप में कर रहे हैं या किस में कर रहे हैं उनको थोड़ा वेट करने को बोलिए. We can maybe I'll share this link for the WhatsApp group also. Okay.
Okay.
जो ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने उनको लिंक भेज दो, फिर बाकी लोग ज्वाइन कर लेंगे.
Link will be only share once you fill the form. So जिसका फॉर्म यहाँ पे आ गया है
हाँ.
उसको ही लिंक शेयर होगा और विथ जो ईमेल आईडी दिया है उसमें. ऐसा नहीं, आई विल नॉट गोइंग टू शेयर द लिंक ऑन चैट बॉक्स. आर यू गेटिंग मी?
हाँ.
If I share on the chat box, your somebody will leave that form and they are not going to fill this form. So I'm just doing for using WhatsApp. Let me see. अच्छा, किसको डाउट था जिसका इससे नहीं हो रहा था? क्या बोलते हैं, फोटो अपलोड नहीं हो रहा था? कौन था वो?
सर महती.
हाँ नाम बोलो बेटा आपका.
सुधा विश्वकर्मा.
सुधा जी देखिए आपको क्या करना है, आपके फोटो पे जब क्लिक करेंगे ना आप साइमल्टेनियस कर सकते हो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। स्पीकर ऑन रखो आपका,
हाँ सर।
स्पीकर ऑन रखो, और जब आप गैलरी में जाओगे जो भी आपका फोटो रहेगा ना, फोटो पे क्लिक करो। जैसे आप क्लिक करोगे ना तो ऑप्शन आता है शेयर का।
हाँ।
जैसे शेयर पे क्लिक करोगे ना तो आपको बहुत सारा ऑप्शंस मिलेगा, व्हाट्सएप मिलेगा और मैसेज मिलेगा, ईमेल मिलेगा। उसमें सेव टू ड्राइव दिख रहा है आपको ऑप्शन?
हाँ सर।
हाँ, तो उसमें सेव टू ड्राइव पे क्लिक करना है।
ओके।
जैसे आप सेव टू ड्राइव पे क्लिक करेंगे ना तो उसमें यू कैन से 3 ऑप्शंस आएंगे। एक तो डॉक्यूमेंट टाइटल, आपका डॉक्यूमेंट टाइटल मतलब आपका जो इमेज है उसका नाम क्या देना है वो। दूसरा आपका ईमेल आईडी आएगा, और तीसरा फोल्डर आएगा, कौन से फोल्डर में आपको सिलेक्ट करना है। तो जैसे ही आप फोल्डर पे क्लिक करोगे और सबसे ऊपर आना है आपको, मतलब, या फिर आप एक फोल्डर क्रिएट कर लो वहां पे, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ठीक है। जैसे आप जो भी फोल्डर में आप सेव करोगे ना, ऑटोमेटिक वो फोल्डर में जाके सेव हो जाएगा।
ओके सर।
So just try for this. This is all basics. Once you try and practice, you become expert. Don't worry. Okay. So I got 33 response so far. So let me take few names again here. Where I've stopped.
Hello.
Yeah. Shidina done. Ajit Yadav done. Farhan Sheikh. Shubham Upadhyay done. Ajay Yadav done. Dikshita Kandari. Is it Kandari?
Yes, sir. It's Kandari.
Kandari. Okay. Umakant Yadav. What is next? Pranay Matre, Aman Soni, Pankaj Singh, Rashmita. What is that? Gowda. What is that?
Yes, sir, Gowda.
Pinka Mishra, Shubham Upadhyay, Subhash Chand Shetty, Sachin Vishkarma, Vikesh Jaiswal, Nitin Upadhyay, प्रजापति शिव शंकर, शिवानी सिंह। और कौन है? अभी और लोग बाकी है इसमें। See, those students getting any difficulty, please you can write it in chat or you can talk me directly. There is no problem. I have opened, I have unmute to all. 36. Next response is Jyoti Pandey. Done. Let me see in the group.
So,
yeah.
So Google फिर से शेयर करिए ना, मेरा डिस्कनेक्ट हो गया तो चैट में दिख नहीं रहा अभी।
Okay. So I get 37 response. Who has added? Jyoti Pandey is done. Shudha Vishkarma. Is somebody written SYBSc? Who's that? SYBSc. अभी भी SYBSc में ही है. अच्छा, ऐसा कौन है जिसने SYBSc लिखा है अभी भी? I can see who is SYBSc. SYBSc. Roshan. Who is Roshan Tiwari? Roshan is there? रोशन, आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? रोशन इज देयर, रोशन शर्मा और रोशन तिवारी.
सर आई एम रोशन शर्मा.
रोशन शर्मा और रोशन तिवारी भी है?
हाँ सर, दो लोग रोशन.
हाँ, तो रोशन तिवारी है कि नहीं ग्रुप में इस समय?
सर वो बात नहीं कर रहा, पता नहीं.
बात नहीं मतलब ही कैन चैट ना, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम. बात माइक का कोई प्रॉब्लम है, यू कैन राइट डाउन हियर. रोशन तिवारी इज देयर? No. Roshan Tiwari, today's lecture marked as absent. So far I get 38 response. So let me see the preview. I'm just sharing my screen. How many are dead? 38. So Gyan Prakash Jaiswal. Class 13. So only 4% to 5% are using laptop and 12% are using Wi-Fi. So majority students are using, that means they are familiar with the Google Classroom. And there are few who are not know or don't know or not aware. ये किसका एड्रेस है? आई डोंट नो. साकीनाका 400072 मुंबई. अगर मुझे आपके घर पहुंचना है तो मैं ये एड्रेस पे कैसे पहुंच पाऊंगा?
अच्छा एड्रेस है.
हाँ, किसका है एड्रेस ये? बेटा आपको फुल एड्रेस लिखना है. फुल एड्रेस का मतलब क्या होता है मालूम है आपको? अगर आपके घर पे किसी को पहुंचना है तो आपका रूम नंबर होता है, आपका चॉल होता है या फ्लैट होता है. आपने कुछ मेंशन नहीं किया है वहां पे. ऐसे फॉर्म भरोगे? You cannot change. I think I have not given a provision to change the form. That's why I told you, na, be careful. Once you submit the form, you cannot edit. because this is all mandatory. और हम लोग अगर सबको चेंज के अलाउ करेंगे तो अपना फॉर्म अपना लेक्चर्स केवल चेंजिंग में ही जाएगा टाइम. एनीवेज, ठीक है. I think 40 response we got. Let me see how many are joined in our WhatsApp group. Oh, majority joined. I think anyone left to fill this form? Or not able to join this group, WhatsApp group?
Sir, I can't.
Okay. Anyone else? No, I think so. Just sharing the WhatsApp group. 41 has joined. So who cannot join on WhatsApp on laptop, they can join in this WhatsApp group. So I have sent the link for WhatsApp group. You can join in WhatsApp group. So we have so far 41 response. Anyone having problem related to joining or any other?
सर
Yeah.
आपने जो लिंक सेंड किया उसमें भी मुझे लैपटॉप पे डाउनलोड करने का ही ऑप्शन दिखा रहा है.
तो बेटा आप क्या करना है, आपको ना अभी
हाँ।
वो जो लिंक है ना, उस लिंक को कॉपी कर लो आप।
हाँ।
कॉपी करके आपको आपके मैसेज में भेज लो।
ओके डन।
राइट।
हाँ सर, आप मेरे को डायरेक्ट जीमेल पे नहीं सेंड कर सकते वो
ठीक है,
link?
मैं करता हूँ, जीमेल
हाँ।
पे करता हूँ। आपका नाम बोलिए, जीमेल आईडी बोलिए आपका।
दीक्षिता कंडारी 11।
एक मिनट।
दीक्षिता मैंने तेरे को व्हाट्सएप पे भेजा है, ज्वाइन कर ले।
अच्छा, उन्होंने
हाँ।
व्हाट्सएप पे शेयर किया आई थिंक
हाँ
ना।
हाँ हाँ सर।
हाँ, तो जस्ट आप शेयर कर लो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं।
दीक्षिता व्हाट्सएप वेब भी है ना, उसे ऑन करके कर सकते हैं।
थैंक यू बताने के लिए,
हाँ
उसको
मन,
पता
वो
है।
मुझे समझ गया, पता है मेरे को। थैंक यू।
गवा रहे ना।
Done. 41 responses. I got it. Anyone left to fill the form or left to fill? You can join that group later on. Now I think you have a link in that group, right? So you can share your friends, share your link with your friends. Filling that form is important, so that's why it is mandatory to fill all. 42 response आया है। Last one कौन आया है अभी? Last or second last? Okay. So anyone left to join? So I can see in my Zoom there are total there are 42 students. So I hope everybody have joined the group as well as filled their form. So this is related to today's session, and as well as I'm just sending just now one pic where you have all timetable related to lectures conducted by the teachers. So very soon you will get email, don't worry. Okay, and in that email you will be get timetables and everything will be there.
Okay.
So from next lecture onward, your data collection part is over now. So I'm just sharing the screen for a lecture. Can you able to see my screen, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the timetable basically given by the head of department or head of the institution. So you can see all details are there. Okay. So this I'm going to mail you. So keep on update yourself and keep on touch with your email ID. You will be get some notifications. You will be get like this form. You will be get sometimes syllabus also. So I'm going to, so next session onward we'll discuss a little bit our main course and how this class can be conducted. And if you have any suggestions and everything, you can always welcome. Make sure that in between or maybe at the end of session, I'm going to take a maybe feedback form. Means you have to immediately give the feedback form. So remember, for example, we have studied some topic, and in between I will give one question. So I will ask you the randomly, what is the answer for this? So you have to be careful. It's not like कि camera on कर दिया, video on कर दिया, ठीक है हम लोग जाएंगे थोड़ा time pass करने. It's not like that, okay? Because you have to take seriously from today onward, because we have already lost everything. Means the thing is that, and now we are on like क्या बोलते हैं उसको, we are already delayed with everything. So I can able to say. So better to have now you start, but it will take time to understand because आपको बहुत सारा चीजें at a one time नहीं मिल पाएंगे. But better to create one book for this. Better to create I think 4 books because there are 5 teachers, but मेरा and Jay sir का थोड़ा sharing रहेगा. Okay. So I will going to discuss that all syllabus and everything. Who is going to take what, and then we will see. So ये इसका अगर आपको, I think you can able to take a screenshot also. अगर आपके मोबाइल में अगर ये स्क्रीन आ रहा है टाइम टेबल का, तो आप you are all familiar how to take print screen, right? तो प्रिंट स्क्रीन लेके आपके कैमरा में रख सकते हैं कि हाँ कभी इसका क्या टाइम है. तो ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि हाँ मेरा लेक्चर है लेकिन अभी if there is exchange of lecture, then we will inform you in the group. There is no problem.
पानी अंदर आ रहा है.
But otherwise we will always go with according to timetable.
फिर से चुने लग गई है.
So any other difficulty, anyone? Let me see in the chat box if you have any difficulties.
Hello, sir. इस abbreviation का full form क्या है? APL, CPS.
What is that? Acha, okay. So this is the name of all teachers. APL means Ajit sir, Ajit Limai sir, Chaya Pinge madam, Jayashri Bajay madam, RIT myself, and JHS Jay sir. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
अरे SY में मालूम नहीं है क्या आपको?
सर स्टार्टिंग में सबका नाम था ना.
अच्छा
कोड आ गया. अभी कोड आ गया.
तो now you have to study everything in code हाँ, because अभी सब कुछ हम लोग ऐसा ओपन नहीं बोल सकते. You have to study in code. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any other difficulty, anyone? See, the chat box is only for purpose of if you have any difficulty and any other things. अगर आपको बात करना है तो नाउ मैंने ग्रुप बना दिया है, आप लोग का सेपरेट ग्रुप बनाओ. Okay, you have all data with you now, correct? आप लोगों को खुद का सेपरेट ग्रुप बनाओ और उसमें जो डिस्कस करना है, because once this all students join that WhatsApp group, you are not allowed to send anything in that WhatsApp group. So उसमें केवल आपके जितने भी notices हैं या फिर कुछ exchange of lectures है या कुछ ई कंटेंट भेजना है, materials भेजना है, तो वो सब ग्रुप पे they can share always. Otherwise you are not allowed to send. So you can create your own students group, but उस ग्रुप में भी आप talk properly and behave properly, because कैसा होता है, you're not, we are all students, you are all students, so that make sure that you should use proper language and everything. And very important, make unity, don't fight anyone. And because अभी तो फिलहाल fight करने के लिए नहीं मिल सकते, but it happens. See, and very important, you do not put any comment on anyone, because otherwise क्या होता है, वो इस पे कमेंट करेगा, वो उस पे कमेंट करेगा, वो कमेंट में टाइम निकल जाएगा आपका, तो आप पढ़ भी नहीं पाएंगे. Okay, so that is a very very important. You are all students, you are all friends, and I think now we will see next session, because आपका timing already हो चुका है, we are beyond the time. But anyways, tomorrow, so I think your schedule, आपका शेड्यूल कल का आई थिंक टाइम टेबल आपने देखा रहेगा, तो वो जो टाइम टेबल दिया है उसके हिसाब से आप फॉलो करने का. सो एनी अदर डिफिकल्टी, एनीवन?
No, sir.
Yeah, so at the end of 5 or 10 minutes we have a doubt session, so I will better to put your questions on chat box, or you can send me privately, there is no problem if you have any difficulty. So at the end of 5, I can say 5 to 7-8 minutes, we will do some little bit. And regarding the papers and everything, that we will discuss tomorrow sessions, because now we have lacking the time. So that we will see. So अभी आपका session complete हो गया है. So we'll meet tomorrow. Any other problem or difficulty, anyone? So if there is no difficulty, so we can end the session, and we'll meet, I think, tomorrow. Tomorrow Limai sir is taking first lecture.
Okay, sir.
And then but as per timetable it is sir's lectures, but now we have created the group, so let's see, as soon as possible sir will put the notes and everything. You can share, you can see that those notes and everything, and you can. So first one is Limai sir, then Vijay madam, then myself. If the Limai sir will not take, then madam will take, and after that I will take. So that we will finalize in the WhatsApp group. So I think everyone have joined WhatsApp group. Anyone else who is not joined? Anyone else who is not joined? Everyone joined? किसी का प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं आ रहा है व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप ज्वाइन करने के लिए? दीक्षिता ज्वाइन हुआ आपका?
हाँ सर, हो गया.
Okay, great. So if you know anyone students who has not joined, share the link first, that form, and once they submit the form, they can automatically join. Let me see once again how many forms. 43 responses we got, and majority are using mobile, majority, and a majority having data pack. So this is the basically small survey, and that survey you have to do always. So any other difficulty, anyone?
इसके पहले जो मंगाया था ना, इसने कहा खाली 65 दर्जन था कुछ.
So let us stop. So we'll end the session. So you can have from the next lecture onward, we'll start the main course. Okay, so see you by tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I think I wrote my class name as SYBSC by mistake. Sir, will it cause any trouble?
Yeah, definitely it will cause trouble, because you're Roshan Tiwari, right?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बेटा, आप किधर रहते हैं? मैं आपको आपका 10 बार नाम बुला रहा था, आप सुनते ही नहीं है।
एक्चुअली सर मेरे यहाँ ना पावर कट हुआ है एंड माय चार्जिंग इज ओनली 5%, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली स्विच ऑफ हो जाएगा। दैट्स व्हाई मैंने लीव किया और मैंने मेरे फ्रेंड को बोला कि तू मुझे बता देना सर ने क्या क्या इंस्ट्रक्शंस दिए।
हाँ, लेकिन अभी आज के सेशन में तो आप तो मार्क्ड एज एब्सेंट हो गए हैं। ठीक
बट
है?
सर आई अटेंडेड 2 lectures like 8 to 10:15, अराउंड 10:30 तक मैं 10:15 तक था मैं।
देखो अभी क्या करना है, मेरा एक सिंसियरली रिक्वेस्ट है सभी स्टूडेंट्स को, आपका कम से कम 8 to 10 और 12-10 तक और 11:30 तक कम से कम 100% चार्जिंग रखो। आपका 100% मोबाइल का मतलब कुछ प्रॉब्लम ना हो तो बेटर रहेगा। अदरवाइज क्या होगा, आपको प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है बाद में। क्या है इसमें, आपको क्या कौन स्टूडेंट्स ज्वाइन कर रहा है, क्या कर रहा है, सब रिकॉर्ड इसमें प्रॉपर्ली जा रहा है, आ रहा है। तो आप ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते हैं कि सर मैं ज्वाइन किया था, निकल गया, फिर मैं ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ, राइट?
यस सर।
और इसमें एट द एंड यू विल गेट फीडबैक फॉर्म, यू हैव टू फिल दैट फीडबैक फॉर्म एंड दैट फीडबैक फॉर्म इज ओनली फॉर 30 मिनट्स और 20 मिनट्स। तो उसके बाद आप बोलेंगे सर मैं फीडबैक फॉर्म नहीं भरा, ये नहीं भरा, वो नहीं भरा, देन इट इज मार्क्ड एज एब्सेंट ओनली। ठीक है? तो मेक श्योर दैट यू मस्ट फिल दैट फीडबैक फॉर्म।
सर आई डोंट हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद एब्सेंट, वो चल जाएगा मुझे।
हाँ,
बट वो जो SYBSC लिखा है उससे कुछ ट्रबल नहीं होगा ना आपको? आई एम आस्किंग दैट।
अभी ट्रबल मतलब आपने डेटा तो फिल कर दिया है, यू कैन नॉट एबल टू एडिट दैट फॉर्म, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट वी विल चेक, बट बेटर टू यूज प्रॉपरली थिंग ना। अभी सबने TY लिखा और आप SY लिख रहे हैं, मतलब यू आर नॉट कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग प्रॉपरली।
एक्चुअली सर इट्स अ हैबिट ना, वो लास्ट 1 year से SYBSC, दैट्स व्हाई ऑटोमेटिकली SYBSC माइंड के हिसाब से।
Okay, no problem, but now you have to change your habits little bit, huh?
Yeah sir.
Now you're in TYBSc.
Yeah sir.
And you have taken statistics, right?
Yeah sir.
Okay. So let's start. Let's begin the new era for online teaching. So we will see you tomorrow, and I have already shown you the timetable. So if there is change in timetable, then we will definitely inform via WhatsApp, and then we can do accordingly modification. So let's stop the session and we'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, have a good luck.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.